know that boy went from Corvette to Harleys to now this. Sheesh. Worry about nothing. Suzuki. Live in the flesh. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Cash the Cool Dad. Y'all know what it is, man. And y'all see what's going on back there. I know y'all probably been like, where I've been. Whoop, whoop, whoop. But if y'all watching this, y'all seen where I was. Y'all seen what was going on. And if you didn't, go back, enjoy the live stream. It's going to be saved on my channel. And check out your boy and see where I'm coming from. And see where I've been and where we going right now. But look, man, I'm about to tell y'all what's going on. Hold on, I'm going to flip the camera. Tattoo flame at it again, yo. Look at this, man. Y'all know that boy went from Corvette to Harleys to now this. Sheesh. Worry about nothing. Suzuki.